So guys, first method, come to this website which is www.gigabyte.com, which is officially website. Then you can see here search button to click to, and just type your model number. Then guys hit enter. Then guys click to product. Now this click here, wait few seconds, it is. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using, and which is operating systems driver you have to require. So because I am using Windows 7, Windows 11, then click to select this VGA driver. So click to download. It will start, you can see here. So it is completed. Just single click to downloaded file and then double click to. Now this is extract to data to your system. Then click to yes. So this is installed, then close it.